Are you wondering if Tools Best Store is the real deal or just another online shopping mirage waiting to disappear with your money? Hey everyone, welcome to this in-depth review where we're dissecting Tools Best Store, an online marketplace that's been popping up on many people's radars. So let's start by taking a look at the website itself. First, we'll assess the range of products they offer, checking for brand names, prices that seem too good to be true, and any inconsistencies in product descriptions that might raise red flags. Next, we'll delve into customer reviews, not just what's on the Tools Best Store website, but independent reviews on trusted platforms and forums, looking for patterns of complaints about product quality, shipping delays, or unresponsive customer service. Speaking of customer service, we'll attempt to contact Tools Best Store ourselves, testing their responsiveness and helpfulness with common inquiries, because a legitimate business should be readily available to assist its customers. Finally, we'll examine their return policy and payment security, ensuring they offer buyer protection and secure checkout options, because a lack of these features can be a major warning sign. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Tools Best Store is a trustworthy source for your tools and home improvement needs, or if you should steer clear to protect your hard-earned money. Thanks for watching, and happy online shopping.